Nature, community, legacy. Today, we have an opportunity to enhance the quality of life for everyone in Bismarck. The owners of this parcel in Northwest Bismarck have generously offered to donate a portion of the land and make the remainder available for purchase for a new nature-based park. This large, impressive natural area will feature pet-friendly trails that connect with Bismarck-Mandan's existing trail system, mountain biking trails, restored wetland areas for education, birding, and quiet retreats, and native grasses and tree planting areas for people and wildlife. Parks, trails, and natural areas help maintain healthy and vibrant communities. With help from supporters like you, we can secure this spectacular green space for generations to come. We encourage you to build a legacy with your financial support. Working together, we can preserve nature and build a healthy and vibrant community.